Hello folks, Steve Conroy here from Bold Action Consulting. I thought I'd do a little tutorial for a lot of my e-commerce customers out there who keep on asking me how to set up their web widget on their website for their text marketing efforts. I refer my customers to SlickText.com. Seems to be a pretty simple solution for the small business owner, which is great. Saves me time, my customers can use it, and they get some good results from it. So what I did here was I'm going to show you start to finish how to set this up on your web page to have people sign in or sign up from your web page. They just enter their cell phone number and they're on your marketing list, which is great. So what I did here was I went to SlickText.com, which is the company that I'm using, and what I'm going to do here is I need to set up what they call a text word. Most companies call them keywords, I believe. And let's see here. Just bear with me. This is just going to be a test word. Test. We'll just call it test. Test 1. Test. See if that's available. Let's call it. We'll call it bold action. How will we be using it? We're gonna say marketing. We're gonna say 4 times a month. This is just an example. I'm not actually doing this right now. We're just showing you how to set up a web widget box. We're gonna skip this step if we can. Let's see. Make sure you're okay. Looks like they got an automatic reply here for their keywords. Once you set one up, we're just gonna say, "Hi, it's Steve." We're gonna set this auto reply, and let's just go. We're gonna go back to their home page here, and we're gonna go to help grow my list. And right here, they're going to give you an option to create a web widget sign-up box. They keep it pretty simple. And if you guys haven't had the pleasure of doing business with these guys over here at SlickText, they're pretty fun to work with. They're easygoing, and they really help you understand what it's all about. So they got 2 options here. You can do a drop-down box, I guess, if you have multiple keywords that you want your customers to join, or you can specify a specific web widget box that your customer needs to enter their phone number in to join your marketing list, and we're going to do that one there. So we're just going to select my keyword, and just like that, it will generate the code for you. And what I got going on here in the background is a site I'm working on for a customer. And I just got this one up, so I'm going to show you. So what it did here was it generated some code, and what this does is basically when I paste this in, it's all HTML code. It's going to show up on my website in the form of a sign-up box, and your customers are going to be able to enter in their cell phone numbers, and then it's going to be attached to this keyword here on my marketing list. So bold action. So we'll see how we do this here. So whatever you're using for a web design platform, wherever you can insert HTML code, I'm just going to insert it like this. I use a company called Homestead. Very manageable website design. If you're a consultant like myself, if you do websites for customers and you want to teach them on how they can manage their own site afterwards. It's very simple for them to get in here, show them how to move this HTML around, edit it, all that good stuff. It doesn't have to be real hands-on for the customer, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this here, and we're just going to preview it. So what I did was in Homestead here, which is a great company if you want to build a site and easy to use. They got a little button here that says HTML, and we click on that, and what it does is it pops up this box, and you just paste your HTML code in there. And that was the SlickText code that I copied from their website. And then we're just going to preview it. So if this worked properly, we should see a sign up box. So there it is. This is just a page I created, you know, just real generic here. All this has nothing to do with the site, but what we want to do here is we want to enter in a phone number, and this could just be for an example. And we'll just 000. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and your customers are going to see this basically when they come to your site, and you can put some verbiage up here, and you know, I might put some text up here that says what they're joining for, and they got a link to terms and conditions here, so you don't really need to add much more to it, I guess. But the customer will click here, they'll enter their phone number in, and then they'll just hit sign up right here, and it says thanks for joining your list, we've sent you a confirmation. And from there, I believe the customer has to reply yes to confirm, and then they get back that message that I put in that said, hi, it's Steve. So that's how you install a web widget using a text marketing or SMS marketing web widget, whichever one you guys want to call it. It's pretty plain and simple, and at least that's how you do it with the SlickText platform, and I know there's lots of others out there, but we seem to like them the best here at Bold Action. So thanks, guys.